Hello everyone, this is Bubu and welcome to my channel. And today we are going to draw this blue little rabbit. Of course, you can use any color that you like. It's super simple, super fun, and of course, it's super easy. So grab your pencil or marker and let's dive into drawing. Bubu wants to stay here as my support. Thank you very much, Bubu. I start with two big circles as the eyes. Next, I draw a little curve like a U and a straight line down. I draw a mouth, and if you want to make it like smiling, you can change it like this. It's a happy face. But for now, I want him to be a little sad. What do you think? Why is he sad? Maybe he's hungry and wants some carrots? Okay, next I draw the head and some whiskers. Next, I draw the ears in two steps as shown in the video. So it's like that the ears are folded. I draw the hands. What do you think, Bubu? It looks okay? And then the tummy. The feet. And a little cute tail. So the rabbit's finished. Next, I want to draw a carrot. It's very easy. I also did a carrot video tutorial before. Please check it out. For the color, I use blue colors and the other shades of blue. And of course, you can use any color you want. As you can see, I use the other gradation of blue to give it a volume to the drawing. And last, I use orange and green for the carrot. Okay, it's finished. I draw some ornaments and color them. So that's it. we finished drawing our rabbit. You can also download the printable in the link below. And if you like this tutorial, please hit like and subscribe. Also, please help me to decide what to draw next in the comment section below. Thank you for now. I will see you later. Bye.